Okay, so I want to give you that explanation for number 10. Did a pretty poor job of that. So let me share a whiteboard with you. Let's do this problem. All right, the hint was we had to go way back to page 477, and it tells us about scale factors. Let's think about this. If we had a cube, and the cube was, I don't know, 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot, 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot. Well, then the volume would be 1 times 1 times 1 would be 1 cubic feet. This is a conversion factor we're doing here. Okay. If we wanted to convert this to cubic inches, well, 1 foot has 12 inches in it. So I'm going to make all these numbers at 12. Oh, I needed my calculator here. Let me grab my calculator. 12 to the third power, or 12 times 12 times 12. The conversion factor from cubic feet to cubic inches is 1,728. That's just 12 cubed. So that's in cubic inches. Maybe some of you had that memorized from a science class. So there's 1,728 cubic inches and 1 cubic feet. Our problem deals with model trains and real trains. And we're told that the scale factor is 1 to 48, clearly 1 being the model, M for model. And I don't know, RL for real life. So the model train, one measurement is 1, and on the real train, it's 48. We're not told whether that's inches. We're just told that's a scale factor. Could be inches, could be feet, something like that. So how do you solve this? Well, we're told the other bit of information is that on the model train, that one of the cars can contain 90 cubic inches of coal. Well, and that's a volume, by the way. So we need to convert our scale factor to volume. Remember how to do that? Theorem 1211 says take the scale factor and cube the top and the bottom. Well, that's easy. 1 cubed is 1. Oh boy, I'm reaching for my calculator again. 48 cubed is 100. I'm looking at it. 110,592. Okay, cool. But remember, we don't know whether this is in, oh no, now we do know because we were told that this was in cubic inches. So we're in cubic inches. As soon as I set up this proportion, because remember 90 was the model train, we want to know how much is in the real train. So it's a simple proportion. 90 times that big honking number divided by 1. Well, that's easy. I'm reaching for my calculator again. So I take that big 110,592, multiply it by 90. Oh boy, is this a big number. 9,953,280. But remember that 90 was in cubic inches. So this is also in cubic inches. So to convert it, the answer says to make it into cubic feet. It says in cubic feet, what's the answer? Well, then we simply need to take the conversion factor. So divide this by 1,000, calculator again, divide that by 1,728, and I get to a final answer. I'll do it in red here. Final answer, I just divided that big honk, that 9 million number by the conversion factor of 1728. We get 5,760. That's how many cubic feet? Cubic feet. And there you go. I knew I was going to have to tell you about this conversion factor, and I was already in way past that. So I decided to cut it short there and give you a better explanation after class. So there's your better explanation after class. All right. That's it.